Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today news as roro ship crashed on Calandbrug bridge in Rotterdam. It was reported that the 2019 built roro cargo ship Sixtine, serving the Kingston upon Hull, Rotterdam line, crashed into the Calandbrug bridge in Rotterdam on the morning of 7th of April. It was reported that a 2019 built roro cargo ship named Sixtine, serving on the Hull UK, Rotterdam line, crashed into the Calandbrug bridge in Rotterdam on the morning of 7th of April. With the impact, a slit was opened above the waterline in the part of the ballast tank on the starboard side of the ship. The video shows the ballast water draining out of the hull of the Maltese flagship. As of the morning of 8th of April, it was stated that the ship was in Rotterdam. In the event that the ship could not avoid hitting the bridge, despite being escorted by the tugboats during the maneuver, the cause of the accident is thought to be strong winds. If you like this video, please subscribe and share the video with your friend.